welcome back to my channel, and today I will be reviewing this Glow Recipes new watermelon toner after using for almost 3 weeks. So stay tuned. First, let me start by saying that I love Glow Recipe. I have used almost all their products. They are fruit extract based and clean at Sephora. So as soon as they launched this new toner, I ordered it. It just took a little longer to get here because of the current situation. So I have been using this product for around 3 weeks. Now I waited this long to review it because I wanted you to see how it works on my skin instead of just reviewing by the ingredient list, because I feel like no matter how good the ingredient list is, there is no guarantee that it will work the same for everyone. So let's take a closer look to see what it is. I have written down in my book, so I'm just going to read it. So on their website, they say that in 2 weeks, you will notice a difference in your skin. So I'm using almost for 3 weeks now. So it is a gentle PHA and BHA infused watermelon toner that hydrates skin and minimizes the appearance of pores. And it is for normal, dry, combination, oily, sensitive skin type. That means all skin type. And the skin concerns hydration, pores, blackheads, hyperpigmentation. And the key ingredient in this toner are watermelon, cactus water, PHA, BHA, hyaluronic acid, I don't know how to say that, tea tree extract, and cucumber. Okay, that's all. So when I was using this toner, I didn't use any other product besides the Glow Recipe because I wanted to make sure that whatever happens to my skin, good or bad, is happening because of the Glow Recipe and not because I used something wrong with this. So with this toner, I used watermelon juice moisturizer, and this is my favorite product from Glow Recipe. I'm using this for like almost 3 years and I am in love with. And after that, I also use this mask at night. So these are the only products that I used with this. So all the results are because of the Glow Recipe and nothing else. Now, I'm not a skin expert or a doctor, so this review is based on how this product worked for my dry skin. Let's take a look at how I use this product and my journey of using it over 3 weeks and the result. So let me show you the consistency of this toner. It's very bouncy, or you can say little sticky, and the smell to me is like jalapenos or green chilies. It's not like a watermelon, at least to me. And the way I use it, right after the shower when my face is moist, I apply it. But right now my face is not moist, so let's spray some rose water. By the way, I made this rose water using the roses from our garden. I may show you someday how I do that. And after that, I will grab the toner, take some, and just do a spot treatment around my cheeks, on my nose. Now, when I first got this toner, I used it all around my face, but the results were pretty bad. So I switched to just a spot treatment. So after the toner, I will use this watermelon juice moisturizer. I'm using this moisturizer for years. I just love it. I will use it all over my face. Now, if it is a daytime, I will go ahead and apply some sunscreen over it. And if it is a nighttime, I will use this watermelon mask. So yeah, that's how I use it. So this is my skin before I started using this toner. I have large pores and I do get one pimple every month around that time. First time I used it, my skin felt burning. Second day, my skin was super dry and flaky even after applying moisturizer. Around fourth day, I started developing itchy and painful pimples around my jawline, and I kept getting more. I don't wanted to yet give up on this toner, so on 7th day, I started using it only as a spot treatment, and then the pimples gone away. This is how my skin looks now. I don't see much or any difference. So my final thoughts are, this product may work better for oily, normal or combination skin, but if you have a dry or sensitive skin, I will suggest you to use it as a spot treatment first, like around the pore area. And if it works fine, then start applying all over your face. Now, I really wanted to love this product. I thought it's going to be my go-to toner, but unfortunately, it didn't agree with my skin. And this is the only product from Glow Recipe that caused my skin to break out. So, yeah, these are my final thoughts. I hope this review was useful for you, and thank you for watching. See you next time.